Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jay. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make shoulder straps top. This top is so easy to make and I uploaded free patterns from 1 to 90 in my page. Please click the link in the description box to download the patterns. So like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY fashion videos every week. And let's get started. I use basic pattern from ebook drafting pattern for men's and children wear. Firstly, from underarm point down to 30 centimeters, I have the length of the top. Next, from the armhole, I draw a line with a length of 3 centimeters. From pit of neck down to 1.5 centimeters, I draw a new neckline. Then draw a new neck armhole. Then cut out the front pattern. Next, from the neckline of the front down to 2 centimeters, I draw a new neckline of the back, then cut out the back pattern. Next, I cut the shoulder strap pattern with a length of 14 centimeters and the width of 4 centimeters. Then I cut the ruffle pattern with a length of 27 centimeters and the width of 6 centimeters. I use cotton fabric for this top. Add 0.7 cm seam allowance at edges and cut out the strips of fabric diagonally to the width of 3 cm. Right sides together to front pieces. I sew the center front. Then zigzag and press along the raw edge. Then I sew a 0.5 cm stitch along the center front. Right sides together, the front and the back. I sew the side seams. Then sew a 0.5 cm stitch and press. Next, I make bias step along the armholes. Then repeat for the necklines. Right sides together, I sew the shoulder straps. Then turn right side out and press. Then sew them with the top. Next, I sew the side seams of the ruffle. Set the margin to the longest straight stitch. I sew the gathering stitch. Next, I sew the ruffle and the top together. Then top stitch. Fold the fabric inside 0.7 centimeters. I sew the hem. Lastly, I make the buttons. We are done. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye.